One creates a dramatic colour shift that looks almost metallic. The other contains actual particles that sparkle under the light. So, what is the difference between sheen and shimmer? And more importantly, which one should you use and are they safe for use in fountain pens? First up, what's sheen? Put simply, sheen is the colour effect caused by concentrated dye. Sheen happens when extra dye becomes concentrated in the wetter areas of your writing. It's not glitter. The effect comes from the way the concentrated dye dries on the page. That concentrated dye settles on top of the paper and creates a secondary colour as well as the base colour. So the ink isn't changing colour. You're seeing the base colour with a secondary colour on top. This gives it an almost metallic look, and the more ink you put down, the more obvious the sheen will be. Next up, what's shimmer? Shimmer is different. Shimmer inks actually contain ultrafine particles of mica or shimmer that create visible sparkles on your page. The ink still has a base colour, but the particles sit on top of that base and reflect the light. This makes it look glittery rather than metallic. As sparkles come from adding particles, they can settle in the base of your bottle and in your pen. So gently rotate or agitate the bottle to disturb the particles evenly. You can do the same thing in your pen. Avoid shaking it aggressively, this will create bubbles which will affect the ink flow in your pen. And avoid using shimmer inks in your pen if you're going to leave it unused for long periods of time. If the ink dries out, it will leave shimmer particles behind, and once these build up, it will clog and block the ink flow in your pen. That's why if you're going to use shimmer inks, you need to take a little bit of extra care with them. So, sheen gives you a dramatic secondary colour. Shimmer gives you visible sparkle. And both benefit from a wet writing setup and the right paper. Both sheen and shimmer inks are best used with a broader nib, either a broad, double broad, a flex or a stub. The wider the better. And a wet writing fountain pen. The more ink flow there is, the more you're going to see those effects. And smooth, non-absorbent paper. You want the ink to sit on top of the paper, not soak into the fibres. So, which inks are there available? Fortunately, there are plenty of choices. For sheening inks, KWZ Sheen Machine is known for producing a very strong sheen. Octopus sheens offer a wide range of colours, including some less traditional colour combinations. And Sailor dip tint inks create really saturated results, especially when used with dip pens or brushes. And for shimmer inks, Diamine Shimmertastic were one of the first shimmer inks we stocked and are still popular today, with a huge range of colours to choose from. Wearing call their shimmer inks glistening inks, and these are some of my all-time favourites. They also offer some really great sheen options as well. And the Jacques Herbin 1670 range offers a beautiful selection of colours with their reliable ink formula. Now onto paper. Paper can make or break sheen shimmer inks. On absorbent paper, the ink sinks into the fibres. That will make the colour look flatter, reduce the dry time, and completely lose the effect. For both sheen and shimmer inks, you want paper that is coated, low absorbency, and super smooth. That gives the concentrated dye and sheen inks more time to remain on the surface and dry visibly. And smooth paper helps the shimmer particles remain visible instead of disappearing into the paper. A bright white paper will also make shimmer stand out more because it reflects more light around the particles. So, which papers would we recommend? First up, life paper. Life paper is particularly popular for showing both sheen and shimmer. It's super smooth and ultra high quality. They're made in Japan and they're some of the most fountain pen friendly paper we've used. Clairefontaine Triumph paper is also another great option. Really smooth so it works well when you want dramatic results. Rhodia is a reliable option for fountain pen writing. They're owned by Clairefontaine, so they use the same super high quality paper. And remember, paper performance can vary between batches, and it's the same with inks. So it's a little bit of trial and error. Try a few different papers with a few different inks and see which works for you. And if you're new to fountain pens, choose one that's easy to clean. Ideally, the nib can be removed and you can access the ink feed. And also go for the widest nib available if you really want that ink to shine. So that brings us to a practical question. Which one should you choose? If you want bold colour shifts and an almost metallic effect, then sheening inks are for you. Especially if you don't want to have the hassle of the extra maintenance that comes with shimmer inks. That doesn't mean you don't have to take care of sheen inks though. All fountain pen inks should be cleaned through regularly to keep your fountain pens flowing nicely and to make sure no ink dries in the feed. Compared with shimmer, however, sheen is relatively low maintenance. If you want a fully sparkly, festive and magical look, then shimmer inks are the obvious choice. The trade-off is that shimmer inks need more care. So if you use shimmer, avoid leaving the pen unused for long periods. The biggest mistake is putting ink in the pen, writing through it for a few little sentences, and then popping it on the shelf and forgetting about it. Clean the pen regularly, use it regularly, and if you're not going to use it, empty it to make sure the feed is nice and clean. And generally speaking, with shimmer inks, we would avoid using it in sentimental or old pens completely. So remember, choose sheen if you want dramatic colour shifts, low maintenance and a metallic effect. Choose Shimmer if you want a glistening, sparkle and an extra dramatic effect, and you don't mind a little bit of TLC with your pens. Let us know which one you prefer, and if you have any questions, as usual, drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. We hope this helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stationery, ink and fountain pen deep dives.